Today we have a really nice 2017 Chief Vintage. This is produced by Indian. This is a vintage line, so it does have the extended fairings, give it that old school classic look. The light up Chief in the front here. Tall windshield, we get all that wind off here. Powered by a 111 motor, all chromed out. Beautiful white walls. Already has soft leather bags on it and a sissy bar for your passenger. Complete with engine guard bar and heel toe shift. This bike is very clean for two reasons. Not one, that it looks very clean, and two, for being a 2017, only has 1,856 miles. Only here at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles.